Right. Rahul, let me quickly cut across to Boria, also joining us for more details. Boria, if you are with us, here is England. What a roaring victory. 200 runs, they've beat India. And in fact, we believe that the Indian side managed only with 9 wickets on the 5th day. And quite quickly, England wrapped it up in 2 sessions. Take us through where were the flaws on the Indian side and what was the strength of the England side.
See, firstly, Rahul was very right. I mean, England did everything right from the start of this test match. They won the toss, which was a big toss to win. They put up close to 600 runs on the board. Now, that's always the recipe. That's always the recipe when you play in India. Joe Root played an outstanding innings. And then on the final day, I mean, again, Rahul is right when he said that a lot of us believed India can save this. I, for one, did believe that India can save this. But that one over from James Anderson, where he picked up Shubman Gill and Ajinkya Rahane, broke the backbone of the Indian batting. And then that wicket of Rishabh Pant soon after. So 3 wickets to Anderson in that one spell for what, 5 runs or so? Almost destroyed India. Having said, I mean, if you really want to go through, I think there was a problem with the team selection. I think Kuldeep Yadav should have played. Shahbaz Nadeem. If you compare Jack Leach versus Shahbaz Nadeem, Nabila, you will know that Jack Leach outbowled Shahbaz Nadeem in India on an Indian wicket with much less experience. So an English left-arm spinner outbowling an Indian left-arm spinner on Indian soil is quite disappointing, number one. Number 2 that you've got to take into account is Kuldeep Yadav is warming the benches. You've got to, England, by the way, is the new number 1 in the ICC World Test Championship. India slide to 4. That's the latest rankings coming through. India slide to 4. England is the new number 1. So we can break that. So that's how the table is swinging up and down. Having said that, I still think it's an aberration. I think the Indian team will come roaring back. There is a lot of potential in this team. In the second test, I am hoping to see Kuldeep Yadav back into the team. I'm hoping to see way more wicket-taking deliveries from the Indians. And I'm hoping to see Rohit and Ajinkya Rahane, 2 seriously good players, back among runs. Ajinkya Rahane, after that Melbourne 100, again questions will be asked about his consistency. Rohit Sharma, questions will be asked. So these very important players need to strike form in the next test.
Absolutely. Boria, thank you very much for joining us with those details. And that's the big news. Coming in, England beat India with over 200 runs. They're now 1-0 lead in the Chepauk test.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.